Mitchell Bia na wasem no de me pesa me ko bi me call. I'll give you a technical knockout round one, so I'll not go there because they be me too much for say your club is a club that is a quality standard club, and such clubs when they set standard, you either get close or match it or not. So who are Thierry Roman 228 goals in his career? Even Van Persie gave 132 in a short career. So that's the standard. We measure every strike of Beba set clubs. Biano, you are measured by that. Sanity. Won't mean and your wide dream, and your wide dream. They are paying. And the unfortunate thing for Arsenal and for you who is defending him is that the most important case you made is the only thing now. So when you come and you don't deliver, you just pray, say next season, you improve. That's it. But you don't make an argument. That's why they are paying you to deliver. 12 goals in the Premier League is poor. I mean, that's poor to say the least. 18 goals in 48 matches, that is poor. Because if that is the reason why they brought you, you have to be fixing it. You are fortunate to have players around you who can score. That's it. But if, apart from that, if Trossard is not scoring, Saka, and yes, or prior is come, he will score. You have Eberechi, he will score. Sometimes declare. You are fortunate to have players around you scoring. But if you're a team that depends solely on that, the team will be in trouble. So you should be living out the you're not living out the expectation. Live up to expectation. Now, referee Colin Asem. I mean, there are things that are not arguably. He's the best referee we've ever had. There's no dispute about it. He's the best we've ever had. The most no-nonsense referee. I mean, and then Adiba Kwame Paul no say, he even educates and to Asha players naturally were a book because I don't know. I don't know any no punishment or person tia send the into punish you. And I honestly said the referee player sent tank on him corner off. So he's cabinet for it. But you see, you always celebrate people don't celebrate Lincoln Chong. Yeah. The finest Africa has produced. But Mauritius, brilliant referee. No nonsense. Yes. And ironic as sometimes in TSA, look at where the referee is coming from. Not a football nation, Mauritius. But he's the best referee. Look, the referee out 1, 2, 3, 1996. 1996, Tunisia, South Africa. He on officiated 1998. Egypt, South Africa, on officiated the final. Then 2002, Senegal, Cameroon. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, I mean, it's rare to have a referee doing 1, 2, 3 on our continent either, but he's done that. Phenomenal referee. So Africa, so you're bad. You're producing B. He was one of the finest. Now, to FIFA Congress. Maybe Katra will say Africa, any Europe, ne we are saying I can say Sebiu acquaint to Sikasem Ayedin because US no acquaint to no sem no from aha ekoni nyina no e na a problem ticketing sem sebi ticket out to the 2 kwan ni nyina a problem and TSF FIFA yo bibi people go trans here no cre and Oma ye bibi ni omu ye no say first of all nations including Ghana
48 no
including Ghana no say see no $1.5 million anka ye for prepare your matches a year ball any who kick on you and say 2.5 and the $1 million account and you qualify no automatic with the member bonus over $9 million by the assign the $1 million account say $10 million they say $2 million is what FIFA edika ubia sika. So it means that, like I said, that's why I say Infantino is the best FIFA president ever. The mark of a leader, and say, when Crawford I can say much or more problem. And nimuna, why meeting a day? We see ano. Sebio ni enye bebre sa say best of every problem, but at least one might be a bet me aswa no reasonably, and that is because as we speak now. Projected revenue for FIFA in this World Cup, don't forget a projected revenue, and yet guaranteed revenue. Your more bomb pies, some can be a bomber, ticket, ni broadcasting right, ni merchandise. and then also sponsorship be a bomber on betimia generated $13 billion. Ebia konoma konya 9 10 and yenim. So so ye careful sika kakra ono how obe spending no send a bear omo konya asem. So enu ya solve here no. Oh okay. Palestinian and Vinicius is me. And once again that's if up forward in the meeting with them at Vancouver and the player only unyonko nya asem or park so now do one no dey quite mistake quite is all year off will be the year of red card and they found and good because it's also serving as a means of me my issue about racism and I say yeah say before nana say be higher abrofo no sesanda to we a player we a blacker fatu adwum say we sa nema no normal e be happy na focus na mom jiwudin e wo ball no mu na mom ani wu na gine papa. That's my policy. So me I don't worry my head talking about racism because you an endemic thing then society then something. So that is to address sa nsem say players be a year or park no so that's a good one. Now once again on say FIFA president award the CAP AFCON 2025 final. Nia Senegal no say omo de ahemra no. Se almost say sa eniamun sem na Senegal players so we nation be play this and them for future straight. We referee afa no kasa de we free. And two pack or World Cup you be you free straight. First game cry bet.
We under this circumstance players am call be the record.
Straight be
Senegal bet was na they have to resort to the beer players beer 5 beer muka pitch and
so that, and I think that FIFA is being I like that because you see at DSC and 7 nim kwasi asem and I unim near other nations players unim near form with him. So what FIFA is doing is to make sure omo you proactive to make sure say asem na si no omo dia yes ade omo suan die free mo hihye mranti wan kasa sebi we a player unim say hey say ko rough we a coach your papa tell you coach nso a unko catch up players o referee akase sebi penalty wajiwe ye ninja into every pack so baby. It's a very good thing that FIFA has done and it's very deterrence to players any technical team members are sebi bedu baby na omo ye niema ensem fata. So it's very very proactive thing. I have a yellow card thing that I don't want to go into it. Now niema mo do na meba 2020 no so before I go there mamin call Saudi Arabia FIFA Council Ajia Tomusi 3034 the only sole bidder is Saudi Arabia and they will make kind of way back years ago. Debbie because there was a tactical strategy by FIFA led by Infantino and then the 30-30 Obudima Portugal Spain and Morocco Africa and Europe some free good then 30-30 so I a centenary celebration since the World Cup started 1930 Uruguay the first 3 matches Uruguay Paraguay Argentina and Behusi almost South America so free and team and Beko Asia Maza brilliance and sometimes Infantino is smart and John because so one first America come for centenary symbolism good but strategy is that you have a South American nation coming to bid against other say see Saudi Arabia omunkwa ndeko who asemka unze we say humpa what abroad be that all nation do that's 6 nations what be that thank you but I see now so Saudi Arabia so 30-34 munkwa ndeko now ade 2027 FIFA say may bema $14 billion to 201 members. A hot na sem no 14 billion. Ni ebenya fiwe mu ene kakra wo ha me be kan. Me be chama 211 members association.
211 member associations.
Yes. From 2027 to 2030, say a 4-year period. It means that the FIFA 4 no be ebe ko nim. Because Sky Sunche prefer it means that we are there's possibility to get 5 million or 6 million for the 4-year period. It's possible, depending on how much channel. Now, unim neum. I know one channel in them. Unim neum.
Question can be something.
Good.
Why this time?
Why this time? 2027 April. 77 FIFA Congress because from Morocco.
Yeah. I'm confirming on Nra.
Why? Because the 2016 election of Gianni Infantino and completed. Don't forget, say 2015 Sepp Blatter contested Prince Ali Hussein of Jordan. And Sepp Blatter 1 year no kraka they do na sem no buy. And to onu the yes, onini Sheikh Salman bin Al Khalifa near Isaiah to the late call campaign manager Emma Infantino my job no. Aha. So them say how Infantino took him out. Yeah. So 2027 election bas were Rabat Morocco. Sa fin mu say mani ngina mu to abapa. Baby I make tell say we are no ntiasia. So 2027 all the member associations anybody 2027 now so ojam e call last step. What is here? And this ameno I see my greasing crophobia member associate. Sebe member associate ma wani gia also be ma FIFA president then.
Niaje.
Make it also be as contesting because first of all, one Asia beto amano bontos. Africa beto amano boom mean boom 54 no. Asia 47 come up normal Canada. Omo kra market and say omo the first country omo can say call because here per se see no welcome near the 68 mile. So he has massive vote and Europe knows that when they bring somebody they will lose. So Obesanko.
Say I say Infantino smartly, strategically, he is debaking the power of Europe. As we bubu o manu be so almost say how powerful the UEFA and Europeans is here. Why you want to say there any other country?
Says here, and you want to say or make sure say omo ni sika Europe for say be mu look down for omo mu nye sika modu. This is for a thing. Look, Go project was just 500,000 a year. I mean, now FIFA for it is $2 million a year. So, unim, you are South Africa. You can imagine, say, $8 million for 4-year period for football development. That's huge money for us. Asia, part of Asia, big money. Come about. So, for such as when they get that, Charlie, they are excited. And one of because in Africa, won't in Paris much. Also, our brother in Europe, that brother in Europe, that's hard. What do you say? And Obwa, say, bien can say, ankran of football, money will be a Senebea, Sebu, or many Sikadia, my football netumpon. So, I mean, he's going, and then Botola League. Oh, there was an exception to Moroccan League. Exception is the Omonkwan, Omuya, Amaya, Sebu, World Cup, no chance, Yambeboa to 27th of June. Yamamo exemption. The reason is that on say almost see AFCON and say, and the AFCON bonus affect your schedules, calendar no. And in the own is a match is near Bebo World Cup no, and new more time for football bono, even though match is no because Bobra. Sorry I say. Then don't forget some we just a month they need to prepare those pitches for your AFCON never started 27 July to 16 August. And Morocco no say it's unfortunate almost every major will be air call and it's an exemption they've made. But I won't say we are sanity. Say Morocco na exemption. We are so general here. So and no be cancer. There are some few things I want to say. Jenny Tyson Fury, you know, it's just like Manny Pacquiao, Floyd Mayweather. At the peak time, we expected them to fight. They didn't. This took 2 years. The proper excitement where the two of them had titles, you wanted them to be undisputed and far. And to wait for the commercial purpose. Sir, because look, Ukraine near Kola, Usiku, Alexander, Timichi, Anthony Joshua, no Papa, or Chi Tyson Fury, Papa, or Munyadua. Now the two of them, Tyson Fury retired, came back, Aslanbek Makudov, no we need a match full. So as we speak now, Christian Prenga, or also any AJ Bekun, then that prepares the way. We are looking at now before then, my at the end and confirming the bout, then I'll proceed.
Okay.
Because he's the main promoter coordinating the bout.
So the confirmation from Eddie Hearn.
Yes.
Official artwork, yeah. But what we know is the fight is signed by both fighters.
Both.
So both fighters. I mean, Fury's already said he signed it. We've now signed our end as well. So the fight is done. The location of that will be down to Turk El Sheikh. You know, I think the one thing I'll say about Turk El Sheikh is he's a mad boxing fan, and he knows that fight in the.
Okay.
See, we are strong here. Me can't deal with more young men. Nyamin Shramba Musuna Muniska. Now I'm telling you. Forget it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Forget it. As part from the special grace of God, this earth is controlled by money. Where matchroom, where Anthony Joshua, this is at the end of a matchroom promoter. Or see, you're saying we, but it's left with an independent or Turkey Al-Sheikh. Turkey Al-Sheikh or a Saudi Arabian in charge of the General Entertainment Authority of Saudi Arabia. Or no na all the big fights here, or no na one America, Las Vegas about boxing.
As a boxing in America, there's a good.
This is Las Vegas in Saudi Arabia. Or no, he's the brain behind it. And a part of the Saudi Arabian project of making sure, say, on my position, monso on my about sporter. And also inculcate the best colanomo various sport. Look, over the last 6 years, Saudi Arabian collar over 1.5 million are in tennis. There is one more mano WTA no sad is because the strategy is to inculcate that into and to baby when you Saudi Arabia mom we are there in sports. That's the strategy. That's the long way. And then also position Saudi Arabia say about we as sports ni host ye about sana or minor tourism. Now Saudi Arabian tourism has improved at 35% when they started doing all this because Omainu said before because of the fact say omu a religious state. And but this time around omu open up Omainu nti obia ni wo ho obia call Saudi Arabia cry say Mecca den ye. You see, these guys are smart and deep thinkers.
Those days the ensanke can Saudi they are Mecca
yeah. Now they are into football because almost share baby investment no almost diversify oil for that. Now, so Turkey Al-Sheikh bout way to come on. Bout way a two bout. Now, Dua Lipa Obano mufanu two way no sumabi. Dua Lipa no a Turkey Al-Sheikh and no see girl no performing. Because only favorite pop musician, pop star Obano. But this girl with this dress, you know, to me, can perform in Saudi Arabia. Told him, sir. So the likelihood, say venue ni young can venue date. The likelihood, but I bet me about because Anthony Joshua could 25th of July. You need 3 months minimum.
Me read the article being around. Was it Matchroom or something? I say even the dressing no cry no they are negotiating even on the dressing.
Yeah, of course. But you see,
they are working as
Take a shake.
No, can be say they are akano. The deal over with this lady.
Yes.
Dua Lipa.
So you see, take a shake. There will be a compromise depending on the money. Girl, no uncompromising on the dress because it's part of the brand. Makeup here. They follow me, bro. Master, member baby, for. When this lady, when I asked, I love it. Oh, I love this. Yeah, me make no crash. Oh, I so for upe. Then so you so for too. Why when him start be upe? Men love this thing displayed. Look, a lot of men. So me there, men or men per miniskirt. But who miniskirt about to coachisi? Please, I don't want to get into those discussion today. So naturally, we love this. A lot of the sheikhs they will love it, but they will love this in privacy, not in public, because of what Oman Saudi Arabia is standing for. So Roman negotiated, and I said because I had two bouts, but one in Saudi Arabia, one because of Wembley. Wembley, I bet me I could perform with this dress. But open was Saudi Arabia. If you charge you Wembley 10 million, she will charge you like 20 million or 30 million dollars to make sure say or be cover the other part because or no enu nema onya ne
dress somehow
yes,
decent.
yes, because a pack of the industry makeup emma or package in do level do so say take your la shakes up per girl with performance the rest is shipping come some now mommy come last manza at the party will be up I'm telling you, yeah, this is a sweet sugar man.
So the lady is now demanding so be dress it that decent, of course. The amomo penna.
You need me.
At moment.
Of course, because you need me. And now hear me. That is why we are saying everything you do, you must try so be establish you. Who establish you who near cannot de who did this. But so be establish you a lot of hard work, a jumadin, a bread and yedin and some way draw. But when you get there, I've near cano, so we're building one do her. Say shake send me pay. Now shake was your penny you want to go and you pen shaking pen. No. They say you can't love her song without her body. Like I'm saying, without the feature near my mind. Yeah. There was a lady in this country until unfortunately, you know. I have some big men friend who told me they will pay $100,000 to ask them to do it. Yes, because you're sexy. Me say mema baby before we only pretend. Or you're sexy in a musical album, you're appearing in state performance, or you're very sexy, or you're appealing. So they're ready to pay $100,000 to ask them to do with her. Until unfortunately she died. I'm talking to everyone. Yeah. Big men in these countries. Some wanted to have, don't want to pay because she attract them. Or money presence in the almost feeling crazy, uncomfortable when they are watching. That is what it is. Sexy lady sells. What do you have here?
Apostle Jeffrey.
Yes. I mean my element. So if you have your wife, let your wife be sexy at home. And my baby, my mama baby, man also baby susunje. Oh, why we are now for the wife say abriwa 70 years. No. You must look attractive. You must be appealing. When your husband, where you suffer, we really go be for say powder, come spray be now bow him. What do you say? And yeah, him she should be able to. And yeah, in the circumstance, and can drop it breast halfway in a way. But man, when the boss one now say, yeah. You understand me? So it's very, very important. Also, don't worry, I'm putting on comfortable position.
Apostle Jeffrey, sorry.
Now, Carlos Alcaraz.
It's
sad news. Carlos Alcaraz. Encore
Roland Garros.
Rome Masters and then Roland Garros. Rome Masters is the defending champion. Ultra Jannik Sinner. It's a big blow. So you see, the reason why I say Carlos Alcaraz and Jannik Sinner encore Islam a big blow. They are the two biggest stars. When we have Novak Djokovic, we have Andy Murray. I mean, you're Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal. All options. The background. But unfortunately, this generation only two and then the major ones. And he said 2 year major ones. Na baku enkwa. Emma agro nankasa nyede. Enfa se betenshi bi and build up. Rivalry no yehu. Look, he's a 2-time 2024 or Alexander Zverev, and then 2025. 2025 is interesting. 2 set down against Jannik Sinner. Came back brilliantly with explosive movement, exquisite shot, driving, volleys, brilliant backhand, and Emma are winning by 3-2. No tension, and it also affects sponsorship because one of the interesting guys anyhow. And look, how will this pan out? Jannik Sinner will need this time and say Carlos Alcaraz will treble, and he started the season well. Look, he won Australian Open. Only Australian Open against the headmaster of Australian Open, 10-time winner in Novak Djokovic. And don't forget, and then Amawa compete the what we call the slam pit, the 4. That was Australian Open that was missing. Why if you are the 4? So after that, in the hours Anko Yama lost to Danny Medvedev. Oba Miami, Sebastian Koda, and also Anko Yama. Oba Barcelona, the problem he had a problem wrist. And until wrist or see but it's not good. It's good for him say Onko San but it's not good for the major tournament. Now Novak the Novak of yesteryears. So Jannik Sinner this Abia Bibisrunkun. You know this happened in 2009. Now we are saying who. So Jannik Sinner said BNC 2000. The only time Roger Federer winning French Open was when a friend said Rafael Nadal. Yes, and that was the only time Roger Federer. So sometimes we are saying something happiness. I see maybe this is opportunity for Jannik Sinner. So be winning for the first.
Carlos Alcaraz gradually or woman is said to be the second king of clay. Because after Rafael Nadal, clay the
history of tennis is that the Spanish players, Argentinian players are top class clay. And Brazil, Gustavo Kuerten, Gustavo Kuerten, the Brazilian Gustavo Kuerten. He's one French Open pitcher. Or you're masters when it comes to play. Spain, clay court is almost everywhere. What do you say? So, only coach, one former coach, Juan Carlos Ferraro, Carlos Acras, former trainer. He was a Roland Garros winner. Clay, Carlos Moya. I mean, I can go on and on. The Spanish are masters of clay. So, only Clay no, on fine, and you are masters.